Today we are out in the field with Andy the Grumpy Farmer and his brand new Holland CR 780 combine. You may know Andy the Grumpy Farmer from his YouTube channel and Instagram page, Andy the Grumpy Farmer. Andy is a corn and soybean farmer in central New York, and he shows all of the things that go into running a farm in central New York and the unique challenges that we have in the Northeast. Even though he is called Andy the Grumpy Farmer, he is surprisingly less grumpy when he's driving a brand new combine. This New Holland CR 780 combine is equipped with a 415 horsepower engine and 315 bushel grain tank. Corn harvest is just getting started in central New York and usually runs well into November, into December, depending on the weather. In New York, we get very wet falls that can really draw out harvest, and that's why Andy got the tracks on his combine to hopefully make those wet fall harvests a lot easier. The John Deere 8295R is pulling an Unverfirth 7250 grain cart that has a 750 bushel capacity. It unloads into two single axle trucks, a Ford and a Freightliner. check out Andy's YouTube channel, Andy the Grumpy Farmer, where you can follow along with his entire harvest and all of his day-to-day farming operations. If you enjoy seeing these tractors at work, please subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so that you don't miss a single video.